How to hyperlink in Word. Add and remove clickable links. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to add and remove clickable hyperlinks in Microsoft Word, so your documents look professional and your readers can navigate content with just one click. Whether you are creating a report, a resume, or a project document, knowing how to insert and manage hyperlinks is a skill that saves time and makes your work stand out. So let us get straight into it. First, open your Microsoft Word document and type or highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This is called your anchor text, for example, something like "click here" or "visit our website." Second, with that text selected, go to the Insert tab in the top menu ribbon, then click on Link, which may also appear as Hyperlink depending on your version of Word. Third, a dialog box will open. In the address bar at the bottom of that box, type or paste the full URL you want to link to, such as a website address, then click OK. Your text will now appear underlined and in blue, confirming it is a live clickable link. Fourth, to link to a specific location within the same document, in that same dialog box, choose Place in this document on the left side panel. Then select the heading or bookmark you want to navigate to and click OK. Fifth, to remove a hyperlink, simply right-click on the link text and select Remove Hyperlink from the drop-down menu. The text stays, but the link is gone instantly. Pro tip: if you want to quickly insert a hyperlink without going through the menu, just select your text and press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. That keyboard shortcut opens the hyperlink dialog box immediately and saves you several clicks every single time. And that is everything you need to know about adding and removing hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. You can now link to websites, internal sections, and clean up unwanted links like a pro. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Word tips, and let me know in the comments, do you use hyperlinks in your documents regularly? I read every comment. See you in the next one.